Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to close Lloyds Bank account. First, search for steps to close Lloyds Bank account on your internet browser and then click on the link that says how to close a savings account online via lloydsbank.com. Click on the link this time and then wait for it to finish loading. In here, to close your account online, first you will need to get your account ready. Its balance needs to be €5 or less, and you need another account with us to transfer the closing balance to. You could also close your account through internet banking in 5 steps. On your account's overview page, select more actions in the account you would like to close. Step 2, click on Account Services to expand your options. In here, you should see a link to close account. If you do not see this link, your account can't be closed online and you will need to visit a branch. Step 3, as long as your balance is €5 or less and you have another account with us to transfer your balance to, you will be taken to the next page. Here, please select an account to transfer your balance and interest to and select your reason for closing your account. On step 4, click the Continue button to see a summary of your instructions. On step 5, if you are happy to finishing closing your account, click the Confirm button. Your account will be fully closed the day after your request when it will disappear from your account's overview page. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.